Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and I am a big fan of Apple products because every single Apple product I've had has been truly wonderful and I've never been disappointed. And this is also the case for this iPad Pro of 10.5 inches. I have had this iPad for quite some time already, and I can tell you that it works as if it were the first day. And there are so many things I love about this iPad. If you take a look at it, you can see that it's thin, which means that it is super, super lightweight. So it is easy for me to carry around. I can put it on my bag, I can put it on my purse or my backpack, and it is just so convenient that it is so lightweight. And also, what's awesome about this iPad is the many, many things you can do. For example, whenever I have to have some college books, it's nice to just have them all here on my iPad and I can access them from wherever I am. And it is just super convenient to be able to have all of those books in this iPad. And also, this iPad is not just for studying, I can also play games, I can watch videos, just so many things that I can do with it, which is why I love it. And I also love this beautiful gold color it has. And that is my point of view.